streets, streets of Macau, rua onde coinga, uirahinga, rua dois de coinga, uirahinga. Walls of apartments of Coinga, ooh, Coinga, walls of apartments in slices of Macau, walls of apartments of Coinga, of Coinga. Walls of apartments, walls of apartments. Walls of apartments.
Dois, there's two of these. So this is the second street of Koi Nga, and it's right in this Praia Park area, so you can kind of see what it looks like. We're going to catch it at nighttime, and we're going to kind of walk down the street, but we'll put it up on the map so you can see exactly where we are first, and we'll stroll down, and I'll see if I can also find number one, and we'll see what this is all about. I'll explain a lot more. First, let's put it up on the map so you know exactly where we are. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is take a look. So this is called the Praia Park apartment buildings. So there's kind of a major street right in here. You can even see the buses coming in. And then over there is a rapid transit line, so it goes all the way down that way. So we're gonna come into this space right here, our target street. I am trying to kind of document what all the streets look like in time, because they will change in the future. This one looks pretty static, meaning like it'll probably won't change too much. Let's see, here's a counseling service, gambling. Huh. Hotline for gambling. Okay, a little bit dark, so we'll move the camera very slowly. I think that kind of rooftop looking thing right here, there's like a community there. I can see the lights, they're not on at the moment. Okay. So kind of a wall of apartments kind of feel. We're gonna walk right into it, and I think this might be the first street, so we're gonna just see what it is. Yeah, that's one. So that's the end of the street right down that way. Then down, this is the street sign. De Koi. They must have some kind of events here. Usually they'll have this here if there's something going on. So if somebody's curious about this area, it's a little bit dark. I could walk all the way down and see I guess we'll do that. So I'm going to do this whole triangle, which is Praya Park. Koi 1 and 2, and we'll see where this goes out over here as well. It's like kind of a parking parking garage entrance. So it looks like first it's going to come out. Here's a little donation area, so you can donate to the Salvation Army, clothing and things like that. That's all Praya Park right there. This golden building is Hotel 13. Hopefully this comes out okay. It's a little bit dark to film. You can see kind of a park, and I think it's kind of like a wall right in there all the way down. I haven't filmed in here in a little while. There's our street sign. So we're just going to walk straight down and try to capture what this looks like for you guys. And then we're going to end it at the end of the street. But we are in this Koloan area, just to kind of give you some perspective. I think this right here is the social housing. So these are kind of small apartments, maybe like 1 bedroom or studios. You can see the windows are kind of small as well. And then to the left was the Praya Park, which is a little bit bigger. I'll see if I can capture. So those ones are bigger right there. So that's all Praya Park. And then One Oasis is not too far away. And One Oasis would be like on the other side of that. And those are some big, you have like massive windows, a lot of expat families and people with kids and jobs with cars to take them. There's like nice parking garages and things for that community. But this community right here, and they all kind of go to the same stores and stuff, but this one here would be more social housing. So this would be people who would get some money from the government, housing, and do the paperwork for it and such like that. So these windows would be much smaller. There's a Clayton building, edificio. It's going to come all the way up to the end here. I believe this is Harmonia, this road that we're coming out at. We're going to end this video. There's a bus that serves this community. And then down that way is actually the train line. So we were going to walk down that way. So let me just see here. So that's all part of our street right there. This Nkoi, so it's basically this one and then that one. So that's number 2. This is number 1. And we're gonna slowly venture this way. And I just want to show you that there's a light rail transit line up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end the video shortly, but I'm gonna be going up this escalator into oh, here we go. So yeah, social housing. And so this is social housing. Is the Portuguese word. Okay, so let's go up this escalator here. Koi? No, Koi. I don't think I filmed this one before, so I was just looking at the map. And I realized that this is something that I haven't filmed. So that's all the apartments now. Okay. And we'll just try to give everything in perspective a little bit. I don't think the camera isn't really gonna show very well. But basically, that's all Praya Park right there. So now you can see the contrast. Social housing to the left, and then Praya Park to the right, and more bigger windows, and then even bigger windows in One Oasis. Then over here, everybody's going to the train line. So they just built the train line recently. It's right there. And then the distance is Kotai Strip. So we're gonna end our video right there. Before we go, that's where I started the video, was right there. So that's the entrance into the Nkoi or Khoi neighborhood. Then you can also see too that there's no way to go across, so you have to go up and above. So they have a big median right there with a fence to keep people. But sometimes they'll go down around here, they'll sneak in those four corner areas. Anyways, that's it.